As far as the living space, I mean, we really love the whole thing. Just driving up to the house, I mean, we love the garage and the way it just pops, and the workspaces for storage and the workout room. I mean, so getting someone who's creative like Michael was really good to put it on paper. I mean, instantly, it was just very quickly go, what about this? And because he came to the site, he looked at what we were looking for, listened to what we wanted, and then developed something that kind of molded to our liking. During the whole process, Michael was just like, let's just kind of flow with the ideas of it. And even though I think it created a lot more work for him, I think he was willing to just work through that and make it something that was functional and ultimately affordable. So originally, I think we were looking at possibly having our son move in with us. We just really wanted, a place that he could live.
So Michael designed this cute little ADU.
Yes.
And then once I saw that, I said, perfect. Well, then he came back to us and said, no, I want to live in the basement. So Michael redesigned the house.
Yeah.
With the basement apartment.
Multiple living spaces.
And then I said, I still want to keep the ADU.
Right. Living room.
The room is the best. The views are just.
And we spend most of our time there.
Yeah.
Right.
Even when I'm in the kitchen, I'm in the living room. So that's really nice.
I think the way that it was designed with the lighting and everything else, it is designed to enhance that experience. Yeah, we came in pretty doe-eyed and
unrealistic.
I mean, and Michael kind of set a lot more realistic expectations for us. We were really trying to have this beautiful, magnificent home, but really on a decent budget and able to stay within our means and get the job completed, which is amazing. So we're really happy about that. If you go to the Lindal website, you can see the homes. You're going, okay, that's really nice. But then you kind of dig a little more and you see that the engineering's in-house. They provide all the lumber, all the siding material, the windows. And so it's just a nice big package deal.
And then the price is locked in.
Once
you sign that contract.
Yeah. You always think, oh, it's a sales pitch. You got to lock this in. But it was by far the best thing we did because if we hadn't, it could have raised the price of the entire project a couple $100,000.
Yeah.
It could have priced us out of anything. So the Lindal was great to work with. I mean, anytime we had a major issue, they took care of it.
Yeah.